So we'll get a glass of Dunkelweizen beer here. And this is what's going to go into the bread. So, going to make a nice bread. Let's shut that down. And that's what she looks like, folks. We're definitely going to drink some of that. Today we're going to be making a bread, a Dunkelweizen bread, that we're going to use our beer on that we made. It's an Inflation Nation beer, Dunkelweizen. So we're putting in the flour, the salt,
yeast.
The yeast goes in.
And a little sugar.
A little sugar.
I'll give you the measurements later.
We'll get to stir this up here. This is going to be made with Dunkelweizen beer. Like we just said, we'll let this rise and we'll go from there. So what I got here simply is a glass of beer. Well, not yet. There's the beer. My Dunkelweizen beer, complete with the head. She's in. Oh, look at that lovely foam. Look at that lovely foam.
Just a drip more.
That's connected. And we're going to mix it up like this. And she's done. We're going to cover it. And we're going to cover it. And we're going to let it rise. And if it's clear enough, we'll do a thing on it. After a couple hours, it rose a little bit. We're going to knead it down a little. This is the Dunkelweizen beer bread. Of course, I repeat everything 100 times in my videos.
It'll rise just like our economy.
Oh boy.
That's all right. You'll get a strike for nudity.
And cover that up. Gonna rise again.
Rise again.
And we'll let it rise again.
And then we'll put it on a floured surface and give it a good knead.
And let it rise again.
Yep.
You roll it out with a little bit more flour so it don't stick to the pan. And we're preheating the oven to 400.
Yep.
And the Dunkelweizen bread will go in. She's got it just about ready to go in the pan.
Can I try the dough?
Oh, I'm ready then.
Someone try the dough.
All done.
Dough.
There you go.
There it is. And once the oven preheats, she goes in. In the oven with a pan of water. And we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. Dunkelweizen beer bread is out of the oven. And we're going to slice it up. See how she tastes for dinner. Fresh out of the oven. Gotta be careful you don't get cut with the knife. These are hot. Still a nice warm bread. Oh, look at that. Steaming bread. Steaming, steaming, steaming. She's a hot. So we're going to dish up a couple slices of this and enjoy our meal. Why wouldn't we?
Why wouldn't we?
Dunkelweizen bread. Dunkelweizen bread. Beer bread. Does it smell like beer?
It just smells like normal bread. I want to eat it. It's just I can't eat